China was hit by a series of devastating events that left the country and the world in a state of shock. The southern province of Guangdong, particularly hard hit by heavy rainfall, dam failures, and subsequent widespread flooding. On the same day, the Orsk Dam, built in 2010 at a water level of 5.5 meters, 18 feet, collapsed due to the flooding of the Ural River. The collapse was triggered by torrential rain in the area and melting snow, which pushed the water levels in the Ural River to 9.6 meters, 31 feet. The dam failure led to evacuations, injured 6 people, and resulted in an estimated loss of around 140 million yuan.
在游泳，我的车子在游泳。妈呀，这货车都浮起来了，我的妈！
The heavy downpours caused landslides in Shaoguan, injuring 6 people and damaging 80 houses. In addition, waterlogged soil resulted in a highway collapse in Mizhou, tragically claiming at least 48 lives. The torrential rains led to the evacuation of as many as 110,000 people, with tens of millions reported affected. The situation was particularly dire in the cities of Guangzhou, Shaoguan, and Heiwan. The floods were so extensive that large swaths of land were inundated, with rescuers ferrying people on lifeboats in waist-deep water. Several major rivers burst their banks, and authorities closely monitored the dangerously high water levels. The low-lying Pearl River Delta, a major manufacturing base in China and one of the country's most densely populated regions, was particularly prone to these floods. The crisis prompted the relocation of close to 54,000 people and the collapse of 36 houses. 3 people tragically lost their lives in Zhaoqing City after being trapped by the rainfall.
像不像拍恐怖？辛苦了，没事没事。
The floods swept through a village in the Fuyang district of the city of Hangzhou, engulfing many houses. The Chinese army warned that a dam in the center of the country, severely damaged by the storms, could collapse at any time. This added to the urgency of the situation as the government enacted emergency response plans to protect more than 127 million people. The aftermath of the floods saw about 1.16 million households lose power over the weekend, but 80% had their electricity restored by Sunday night. Flights were canceled and delayed at Baiyun International Airport in Guangzhou due to continuous rain, and schools were ordered to shut down in at least 3 cities.